and then we got the S4 red carbon fiber.
Really rough.
Well, and it I love your bike, dude. It was so sick, bro.
That was outrageous. Quinny, how we doing, buddy? Pretty good. This is fucking wicked, dude. Dude, that.
Tell us about this car.
Yeah, I mean, it's Lotus Agora GT, Toyota V6 engine, shot charts, and it's doing different motors with the Lotus factory. So switched that, and it's 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive, mid-engine.
What car are you?
And the color is Exige Orange.
Huh? Yeah.
The color is called Exige Orange. And yeah, I mean, that's really it. I don't know.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
Software engineer?
Yeah.
Do you have any other cars?
I used to have a RS3 I sold just because I wasn't driving either of them too much. So.
Yeah, you've been doing the Audi group for a while, right?
Yeah. I used to have the turquoise Mika,
Okay.
RS3, like 900 horsepower, built at IROS. So it was just a little too fast for the roads around here.
So with the IROS, do you have to send it in?
Yeah, actually they had it for 6 months.
And it's in Los Angeles, right?
No, in Vegas. So
Vegas,
you pretty much drop it off there, and then you wait whenever they get
Comes back, how long did it take?
Yeah. Mine was about a little over 6 months.
Really?
Yeah, so you just forget about that car while it's there.
What all do they?
I mean, what I got built was basically the bottom end, and then their 850 turbo kit.
Okay.
And just like a manifold and everything.
So what was the block rated for?
I believe people are running like close to 1,000, but I mean, if you were going any higher than that, you got built the head. Get more power out of it. But yeah, I mean, it was crazy for what it was.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Just go ahead and tell us what the
So the Cayman T is kind of a lightweight package. Built it with the smallest engine on this platform. But it's got all the suspension upgrades of kind of the higher end models.
Okay.
So the idea is basically candy carbon you can actually bring out all the way. So
Yeah.
beautiful carbon.
Yeah, thank you so much, man. Ask you some questions about the car? Cool.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, is that all good?
Yeah.
All right, so just go ahead and tell us about it.
It's a 2022 CLA 35 AMG. It's got basically a full aero kit. Ordered it from the factory brand new. Spec'd it myself. Did everything the way I wanted it. It's got right around over 300 horsepower, right around 350. It does 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds flat. There's not much more about it. It's a little pocket rocket, basically. These things are bang for your buck, probably with the best cars on the market. I mean, compared to what it competes against, the S3, all the Audis and all that. I mean, this doesn't even compare to what those have. I mean, interior-wise, performance-wise, I think the S3 is like a couple seconds faster than this, but I mean, I can keep up with about everybody here in this thing, and it does perfectly
And the luxury
fine.
in this thing is unreal.
That's kind of what I wanted. I had a wide body Scat Pack before this, and I loved the car, but it didn't have the interior I wanted in it, and this just, I mean, you tell me. I mean, come on.
Yeah,
I
no,
mean,
it's nuts.
it's crazy how basically what they've done in the last couple of years just with the CLA. Because this is the first year Mercedes actually did an entry-level AMG. They've never had something this low in class to an AMG level.
This was in Europe before it was in Europe.
Yes, so they released this in 2018 in Europe. It wasn't released here until 2020.
Yeah.
They had done their first release with the 35 and the 45. But you know, when I was looking for this, I spent 8 months looking at cars trying to figure out what I was going to get. And this car, basically, the reviews on it and everything was just outstanding. Yeah, and I mean, it gets great gas mileage, so I can haul ass and not even worry about gas because it just it gets like 26 miles to the gallon doing in Sport Plus mode. So I don't know. It's one of my favorite cars I've owned. I've had 7 since I was 16, and I have to say this is probably my favorite out of all of them. And this is my 3rd AMG, and I mean I had a 45 like that, but it was fully like done out and everything.
I love how those things look.
Yeah. And I mean you can downpipe them, tune them, and everything. God, they make like almost 500-600 horsepower from just a little bit of tuning, downpipes, and some intakes. So I got some future stuff for this. I'm probably gonna, after I only have 7,000 miles on it. When I hit 50, it's going straight to 600. Okay. I'm gonna fully build it, bigger turbo, intake, downpipe. I'm gonna make this thing a pocket rocket, more than what it is already.
What shops in Denver?
I'm from Texas, so okay. I don't know. There's a lot of companies on Texas, like Jotech. I mean, there's tons of tuning companies out. JP Euro. I mean, Texas car culture out there is so different than here. I mean, you're talking like here, it's cool when you bump into people on the freeway, but no one ever wants to have fun is the thing. In Texas, it's like almost routine when you bump into another car person that y'all are gonna run it. Like you're gonna have some fun. Like it's just how you do it in Texas. And in Texas, we do things a little bit differently. So I don't know. I mean, it's a good group of cars, and you know, y'all seem like doing good things with this stuff. So what's y'all's names?
I'm Grayson.
Grayson?
I'm Cash.
Cash? Pleasure to meet y'all, man. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You guys running like a YouTube channel, or?
This is gonna be the first video,
Oh, bet.
Yeah, and then we're also doing a little school project here.
Okay.
So,
That's dope.
Yeah.